Hey guys, how are you? Thank you for joining me again. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about our new add-on called Webex. And we're going to teach you how to use it with Modernist Calendar. Webex allows you to have meetings and webinars just like other SaaS, like, for example, Zoom. So, let's begin.
We've already explained in our documentation on our website how to get the client ID and client secret. So now you only have to click on Authenticate and generate access token, and you're ready to go. As you can see in the next section, by clicking to get meetings and get webinars, we can call your meetings and webinars to go to Dynamics Calendar. So by using these two buttons, you can somehow import your meetings and webinars into the Dynamics Calendar. And by clicking on the third button called Export Events to Webex, somehow you can export your events from Dynamics Calendar to your Webex. And you can see that there is a second button here at the bottom of the section. Now let's go to all events to give you a sample event and work with it as a sample. So as you can see, a completely new event. So in the event details section here in Webex information, you can see all the details about the Webex. For example, we've got two checkboxes for displaying the badge of the event in the shortcode, or probably showing it in the single event page. So as you can see, here's the register link field where you can choose a link for your event. And as you can see, there is a checkbox as well to display the register link after the booking has been done by your end user or by your client. So in the next part, there's a password that you can choose a password for your meeting as well, or probably webinar as well, by choosing a password here in this field. And there are also other options as well. As you can see, you can place your embed code in the field below, and also the other options that you can see on the page. Well, now let's create a new event and call it Webex second event, just like that. And let's choose a date, for example, August. And as you can see, the Webex event in the event details section is set to none, but we can choose to set it on meeting or webinar. Now let's just choose webinar here. And just for the sake of this example, let's display the badge of these events in the single event page, and also in the shortcodes as well. And let's just add a link for it as well. And after choosing a link for it, let's just choose a title for this webinar as well. And let's display the link to our users after they've booked the event. For that to work, we've got to add a ticket as well. So let's just add a ticket here. Okay. After choosing a name for the event and choosing a price for it, let's just publish the ticket. Publish the event. Okay. Now that the event has been published, let's click on the link and go to the single event page. So as you can see, the name of the event, your Webex second event, you can see that this is a Webex webinar here written in the right sidebar. But as you can see, there is no information about the link of the webinar whatsoever. So here, let's just register an event and see if we can see the link after the registration. Okay, so after the booking, as you can see, your users can both see the invoice that is clear, but the Webex link as well. So that was it. Very simple working with the Webex add-on.